it's Berta J, and we're gonna try something new today. We're making quinoa wraps. Pour in 3/4 of a cup of quinoa. This goes into a bowl with a 1/2 cup of water. And after 3 hours, you let it soak, and this is what you have. This recipe I got from Broccoli Mom. Now we're going to go to the sink and rinse it off. We're going to get it all. Let me scrape it down. You'll see a lot of foggy water. Rinse for a few minutes until that water is running clear. Okay, you're going to put this into your blender container. A cup of water and your soaked and rinsed quinoa. Get it all out of that strainer. Okay, that's it. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Put the lid on and blend. Blend for 40 seconds or a minute. Have your heat at between medium and high, so a medium high. And you're going to use 1/4 cup. That's how big they're going to be. I'm going to use it a couple of times just so you can see how big it'll be in this pan. When it looks a little dry like this, little bubbles, you're going to flip it. Okay, they're all done. You make about 8 different sizes. They're all bigger than about 5 inches in diameter. They're very soft and pliable. See? They make a good tortilla. You can use it for sandwiches, with your salad. However you would use bread, you can use these. And they're very, very good. That's really the end of the video. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.